The SUNER Power 20-watt solar charger is equipped with advanced UltraSmart MPPT technology, ensuring high tracking and conversion efficiency for superior performance. This solar charger employs an improved 3-stage charging algorithm, effectively enhancing battery life and maintaining safety by cutting off charging when the battery is full. With built-in safety protections, this charger guards against overcharge, over-discharge, and other potential hazards, making it a reliable choice for various weather conditions. It offers wide compatibility, functioning as a smart battery charger maintainer for a diverse range of 12-volt batteries, including those used in cars, boats, and recreational vehicles. Constructed with high-quality materials such as grade A+ solar cells and a corrosion-resistant frame, this charger is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. User-friendly with easy installation, the solar charger comes with pre-designed mounting holes and plug-and-play cables for a hassle-free experience.